Once you've installed the XL Navigator Object Explorer add-in for Excel, you'll notice a new ribbon tab called XL Navigator and a new task pane on the right-hand side labeled Object Explorer. The purpose of the Object Explorer is to provide you with a comprehensive list of all the sheets and objects in your workbook. It enhances your situational and contextual awareness, making it easy and quick to navigate between sheets and underlying objects. By clicking on any of the nodes in the Object Explorer, you can instantly jump to the corresponding sheet. On each sheet, you'll find a list of all the objects it contains. These could include key elements like tables and named ranges, which are displayed in the Object Explorer, allowing you to navigate to them with a single click. Hidden sheets are shown with light gray nodes, while very hidden sheets are displayed with a darker gray. If you're not familiar with very hidden sheets, these are sheets set to a very hidden status via the VBA code editor in Excel. For example, when you try to unhide a sheet from the Excel interface, a very hidden sheet like SH tax flag will not appear in the list to unhide because it's very hidden. The XL Navigator Object Explorer makes it simple to view everything in your workbook, including very hidden sheets. This is especially useful when you receive workbooks from others, such as those containing macros that could pose a security risk. It's great to have full visibility of what's inside. Now let's briefly go over the interface before we dive deeper into the different features and settings of the Object Explorer. You can drag and dock the task pane to the left side if that's your preference. Alternatively, you can collapse it to hide it and free up space. If you have multiple XL Navigator add-ins installed, collapsing the panels on either side will display shortcut buttons, allowing you to quickly access other features. The panel width is adjustable with a slider, so you can make it wider or narrower depending on your needs. You can also click the Toggle Object Explorer button on the XL Navigator ribbon tab to hide the task pane entirely. It will remain hidden until you toggle it back on. Note that when you close and reopen Excel, the Object Explorer will stay hidden until you activate it again. Now let's take a look at the options available in the Object Explorer. The first option is a manual refresh button. If for any reason the nodes in the preview structure become unsynchronized, you can click this button to refresh and resync them. Clicking the Toggle Options menu reveals additional settings that let you select which objects to include in the preview. You can choose to unselect or select all the objects with a single click. The object types you can choose to include are pivot tables, charts, tables, shapes, pictures, named ranges, which are very useful, formulas, notes, and VBA macros. By default, the Formulas option is unchecked. Including formulas in the preview can impact performance, especially in large workbooks with many formulas. If you decide to enable this option, the tool will warn you that refreshing the preview may take some time if there are many formulas. Once you've selected the objects you want to display, you can click the Toggle Options menu again to collapse it and save space. The next button is the Toggle Sheet Nodes level. This feature lets you adjust the grouping level in the task pane. By default, you see all the sheets, including any associated VBA functions, macros, and modules. Under each sheet, any related objects are listed at a second level. If you click the Toggle Sheet Nodes level, you'll remove the sheet level grouping, showing all objects like tables and named ranges without needing to click on individual sheets first. When you hover over any node, it will display its location, starting with the sheet name. If you click on a hidden sheet, you'll be prompted with an option to unhide it. This gives you a handy way to manage hidden sheets directly from the Object Explorer. Next is the Active Sheet Context filter. This feature allows you to see only the objects on the sheet you've selected. As you switch between sheets, it will update to show just the corresponding objects. You can also re-enable the sheet-level grouping for a clearer view. Additionally, you can expand everything to see the full scope of your workbook's contents or collapse it back to just the top-level sheet navigation. When you click the up and down triangle button, you'll see various additional options. You can enable or disable auto refresh, which automatically updates the tree view as sheet content and names change. If your workbook is large, you may want to uncheck this option to manually refresh as needed. You can also toggle the Options menu from this contextual menu or the XL Navigator ribbon tab for quick access to settings. With the Select behavior, you have the option to control how child nodes, like objects under each sheet, expand or collapse when you select a new sheet. The default setting expands nodes and collapses others, but you can adjust this if you'd like to maintain a growing tree view or keep nodes collapsed until manually expanded. Finally, the sorting options let you arrange the objects by sheet row and column, sheet column and row, by name, or by system default, based on the order the objects were added. You can experiment with these options to see which works best for you. You can also access these options by right-clicking on the tree view or through the XL Navigator ribbon tab under Options. If you want to navigate based on objects like tables, you can uncheck everything else and just include tables in your view. After refreshing the preview, you'll see only tables, making it easy to navigate without worrying about which sheets they belong to. Alternatively, you can, for example, only focus on VBA content by unchecking everything except VBA macros. Clicking on any of the VBA nodes will open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. Now let's take a look at another workbook that contains various objects. This workbook gives a complete overview of what you can see with the Object Explorer, including VBA macros, classes, user forms, tables, charts, named ranges, and notes. You can also unhide hidden sheets directly from here. The search feature in the tree view is a great way to find specific objects quickly. As you type, it will display matching results. You can refine your search by making it case-sensitive. This is especially useful for finding specific objects like notes and formulas, as you can search for names or descriptions that contain certain keywords. Finally, let's open a large workbook to see how the Object Explorer helps with navigation. This workbook contains over 250 sheets, and with the Object Explorer that you can quickly find and navigate to any sheet or object. While it may take a few seconds to refresh the preview in very large workbooks, the search feature allows you to quickly locate specific objects within the vast contents. That's an overview of how you can use the Object Explorer to efficiently navigate and manage your Excel workbooks. Thank you for watching.